Choose the correct answers of the following questions. Here it says jalasa tullab. Now this tullab, they're asking which is the correct answer. Is it maf'ul, fa'il or fi'l? Now jalasa is a verb, it's a fi'l and it means to sit. It's a jumlatun fi'aliyah. Begins with the verb. So the word that comes after the verb is going to be fa'il. The word that comes after the fi'l is fa'il. So the answer is fa'il here. Jalasa tullabu means the students sat. Kharajat al-banatu ila al-madrasati. The girls went to the school kharajat, so supposed to be dhahabat, however, or kharajat banatu min al-madrasa would mean like they went out of the school. So here the most important thing is the kharajat. What does the word kharajat mean? Is it maf'ul bihi, is a fi'l or fa'il? Maf'ul bihi is the object, fi'l is the verb, fa'il is the doer. So the answer is it is a fi'l because it is a verb and it begins. The sentence begins with this verb. So it is the fi'l. Al-banat is going to be the fa'il. Adhina al-mu'adhdhinu fil waqti. The mu'adhdhin gave adhan on time. So the mu'adhdhin gave the prayer, the call for the prayer on time. So adhina is a verb, so it's also going to be fi'l. Select the correct answers of the following question. So خرج العاملان إلى المدينة or إلى الميدان. خرج العاملان إلى الميدان. This means the two workers went out to the ground. Now the عاملان, the options are في حالة الرفع, في حالة النصب or في حالة الجر. So the answer is في حالة الرفع because this عاملان is dual, it's double, and dual, the sign of رفع is alif. As we know, raf means the main sign is dhamma, nasb is the main sign is fatha, and jar is the main sign is kasra. However, this is dual. When it comes to dual, it's not the case of dhamma or fatha or kasra. If it's raf, it's alif, like alif noon, and if it's nasb or jar, it's going to be ya noon. So since this is alif and noon, and also because this is a fa'il, it's going to be fi halat al-raf'. رأيت الطفلين مع خادمة. I saw two children or two babies with the servant. Now رأيت is a verb and the doer of the verb is tu. I saw. So the word that comes after is going to be maf'ul bihi, and maf'ul bihi is going to be nasb. And nasb, when it comes to dual, is going to be ya noon, as we just mentioned in the previous example. So if, the raf for this is at-tiflani. Nasb and jar both are going to be at-tiflaini. So is it fi halat al-jar or fi halat al-raf or fi halat al-nasb? The answer is fi halat al-nasb because this is the object, the maf'ul bihi of the verb ra'aytu. Then this is manna al-maliku bil-waziraini. Manna al-maliku bil-wazirain. I believe this is, it means like the king gave two ministers or granted two ministers. Nonetheless, what is al-malik over here? Is it mubtada or ismu fa'il or fa'il? The answer is fa'il because it is the doer of the verb manna. It cannot be mubtada because it does not begin. Mubtada is a beginning noun. So malik is not the beginning noun. It doesn't begin, the sentence does not begin with al-malik. It's not ismu fa'il. It doesn't come in the format of fa'il. So it is a fa'il for the verb manna. Now select the correct answers from the following questions. Here, عند صديقي أربعة بيوت. The word buyut, is it mufrad, muthanna or jama'? It is jama'. Buyut is the plural of the word bayt. My friend has 4 houses. شاهدت طائرا يطير في الجو. I saw a bird flying in the sky. This word طائر is muthanna, mufrad or jama'? Dual, singular or plural? The answer is it is mufrad, it's singular. Next one, يد الصبي وسخة. The hand of the baby or the boy is dirty. Yad, is it jam', mudhakkar or mu'annath? Jam' is plural, mudhakkar is male, and mu'annath is female. Now, yes, yad is singular. There's no option given for singular. It's either plural, male or female. This is going to be female. Yad is going to be mu'annath. And the reason is because there's a rule that any body organs, when it comes to, if the body organs is 2, like if things like hands, eyes and like legs and the likes, which are double, they are considered feminine. Next one, fill in the blanks with the suitable words given in the bracket. Zainabu wa Khalidatu wa Jamilatu. There are three females. What are they? Is it Sadiqa, Asdiqa or Sadiqat? The answer is Sadiqat. Because there are three females. Three females, the plural. You can't use Sadiqa because it's a singular female. Asdiqa is plural male. So you have to choose plural female. Sadiqat. Then the next one is Abwabul Masjidi. Abwabul Masjidi, which is the doors of the mosque. Abwab is plural, but it's non-human. So anything, the rule is that anything that is non-human plural is considered singular feminine. So we have to come with the singular feminine noun here. Cannot be maftuh because it's singular male. Maftuha singular female, so that should come here. Maftuha is plural female, so it should be maftuha. Abwab al-masjidi maftuha. Janahul bulbuli, the wing of the bulbul. Bulbul is a bird, the woodpecker. Is it maksura, maksuratani or maksur? Now janah is wing and it is singular, so it should be maksur. It's not talking about both the wings, it's talking about one wing, so maksur. The wing of the bulbul is broken. Choose the correct answers to the following questions. So here, tilka tawilatun. In this sentence, tawila is a singular of which word? Tawilat. So it is a female noun ending with ta marbuta. The plural is tawilat. Hunna tabibat. In this word, the tabibat is mubtada, khabar or maf'ul bihi. It is going to be khabar because it is we have hunna over here, which is considered mubtada. So this is going to be khabar. They are students, for female plural. Next one is inna zaydan waqifun. Inna zaydan waqifun. The word waqif here is khabar fi'l, khabar inna. It's going to be khabar inna because inna is over here and zayd is ismu inna and it's mansoob, and waqifun is khabar inna marfu'. Next is imla الفراغات بكلمة مناسبة من الكلمات المذكورة بين القوسين. So you have to fill in the blanks with the appropriate word from the brackets. لهذا الدكان, and you have a blank over here, أبواب. This shop has this many doors, like 3 doors. Are we going to use ثلاث or ثلاثة? For this we need to go into the singular of the word أبواب. What's the singular of that word أبواب? باب. Is bab male or female? It is male. So the rule when it comes to numbers from 3 to 10 is that the ma'dud means the thing that you're counting, is going to be, whatever you're counting, the number is going to be in the opposite gender. So bab is male, so we have to use thalathatu here. Thalathatu abwab. Ishtarayna tis'a. We bought 9. Is it karrasa or karrasat? Now, karrasa both are female, but tis'a is 9. When it comes to 9, the ma'dud is going to be plural. So we have to choose karrasat. Cannot choose karrasa. Because the things that you're counting from 3 to 10, the ma'dud, the object that you're counting is going to be plural. Jara sab'atu, and here la'ib or la'ibin? La'ibin fil maydan. Because again, sab'a is 7 and it's plural. Cannot choose la'ib over here. So 7 players ran on the field. كتبت المعلمة الدرس على السبورة or الطاولة. Now this is not grammatical question, it's more like something that makes sense. You can't, so this means like the teacher wrote the lesson on, obviously it's going to be sabura, which is the board. Cannot be طاولة because طاولة means table. Next is general translation over here. Translate any 5 of the following into English. So هذا كتاب جديد. هذا is this. كتاب جديد means new book. So the translation will be this is a new book. ذلك الطالب واقف. That student is standing. فتحت شباك البيت. فتحت شباك البيت. I opened the house window. جاءت الطيارة. The plane or the aeroplane came. دخلت البنات الفصل. The girls entered the classroom. أنا مدرس في المدرسة. I am a teacher in the school. لا هو ليس صديقي. No, he is not my friend. Next is to translate into Arabic. So how do we say I am an engineer? We say أنا مهندس. أنا مهندس. This is the way you say I am an engineer. Are you a student of Arabic? So that will be هل أنت. Now student is طالب, and we can use this as a مضاف مضاف إليه construction. هل أنت طالب اللغة العربية؟ هل أنت طالب اللغة العربية. They went to Agra. They will be home, and went is ذهبوا. We need to make sure that this is matching with the whom. Whom ذهبوا, they went, and to is going to be إلى and Agra. Next one, his pen is red. Now pen is qalam. His would be who, adding who at the end. So qalamuhu, and red we know is ahmar. Make sure to join like in terms of the gender. If this was, for example, haqiba, then you should not be writing ahmar, you should be writing hamra, because ahmar is male, and if the mubtada is female, then it should be hamra. But here qalam is male, so qalamuhu ahmar is the correct one. Next is I saw a bird. So I saw would be ra'aytu. Ra'aytu. And a bird is ta'iran. Ra'aytu ta'iran. How are you is quite simple. Kayfa haluka. Kayfa haluka. No, he is not my brother. La is no. He is huwa. We don't have is in Arabic. Not is laysa. La huwa laysa, my brother, akhi. La huwa laysa akhi. Next is creative writing. Let's choose over here maktabati. So they're given three options. We can choose maktaba. So let's say that in the beginning sentence we can say fi madrasati, in my school there is a big library. Fi madrasati maktabatun kabiratun. So that's the first sentence. In my school there's a big library. Then we say we can mention the library, the fact that it's spacious and the like. So al maktabatu kabiratun wa, let's say hadithatun, modern. Al maktabatu kabiratun wa hadithatun. Then you can say what's in the book. In the library. So fil maktabati kutubun wa suhufun wa majallatun. So in the library there are books, newspapers and magazines. Then ya'ti is to come. إليها, to it. الطلاب والمدرسون will add في ساعتهم المخصصة. So what does this mean? This means that the students and the teachers, they come to it, they come to the library. The students and the teachers, they come to the library في ساعتهم المخصصة, in the allocated time. Then you can conclude by saying أحب قراءة القصص. قصص would be stories. في المكتبة. I like to read stories in the library. You can also mention like where this library is located. المكتبة أمام الميدان أو الملعب and the likes. So that is what we need to write about al-maktaba.